everyone, this is Sabrina. We are arrived at Gregg's house. Let's change the camera roll to Gregg's. 1, 2, 3, go!
Hello everyone, hello Creality. Welcome to the office of Gregg Adventure and 3D Rundown. It is the Halloween time, so I'm putting out all kinds of creepy, spooky things for the kids, including this gigantic 12-foot skeleton. Here in America, this skeleton is very popular and very hard to own. And I have fitted him with a custom-made gigantic ghost face mask. This one is fully 3D printed and painted by me on a Creality CR6 Max. I have one more 3D printed item out so far that you can see. Come over here. That's how a professional optimizes supports. This is done in Creality Hyper Series PLA White. So this is the new Creality Hyper Filament, the Hyper Series PLA, and this mask, and this mask, and Iron Man were printed in Hyper Series PLA. And here is a color test. This is Creality Ender PLA up top, and underneath is Creality Hyper Series PLA. So you can see how much brighter and smoother the Hyper Series is, how much better the color is. It's a really, really good filament for the new fast machines like the K1 and the K1 Max. So this was a lot of fun to work and make all my cool stuff and shoot my 3D rundown videos.